out here in Gilbert on a new job. This is Brandon and Karina's place. We are working on a shower here. You can see we got a walk-in shower and a tub area. We are going to take this tub out. We are going to make a nice drying area. I'm going to pop some drawings in up here so you can see those, so you can see what it's going to look like. With this pony wall, so you can see this tub here that's coming out. Then we're gonna have a pony wall, and we're stuck with coming off this corner, so that's as wide as we're gonna make it. The only alternative would be if we were to build this closet smaller so we had more room to build out, but we are going to leave it as is, so it will be off of that corner straight across. But in that case, this pony wall, the current pony wall, half wall, sticks out further than what we're going to build. You can see that it sticks out further than that edge there. So the customer has some extra tiles, and we are going to have to pop those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tiles and replace those like nothing happened there. So there will be a little platform you step up to get into the shower, the drying area, and then you step down and there'll be a bench seat right here. Now, one thing that's going to be pretty nice on that pony wall is we are going to put right on the side the shower valve right there, which is going to fire up the new shower head there, and then we're going to put a second shower valve over here, which is going to fire up a handheld in a cradle. We're also going to put a niche with a glass shelf, and what spurred this on was there was an issue with the shower door leaking down at the bottom there, which caused some water damage. So we're gonna get rid of this old frameless type shower door and go with a heavy glass panel. It's just gonna be a splash panel that sits right on that pony wall, and there won't be a door going in. So it'll just have the splash guard, and then you'll just walk in this way to get in. So stay tuned for more. We'll keep you updated on everything as we go along, just like we do on a lot of our other projects. We'll bring you through the rough-in process, into the tile prep, and through the finished tile work, and then the completion. So anyway, have a good day. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.